Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in
Okay.
Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
A little bit, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is your first time working abroad, is it?
Ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Ginalyn Vicky Simonto, ma'am. I 27 years old. I live in Tubuso, Negros Occidental. My religion is Roman Catholic.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
I'm single, ma'am.
You don't have children, is it? Okay, when is your birthday?
October 1997.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 and my weight is 48 kilograms.
Okay, what about your educational background?
College graduate, ma'am.
In what course?
Fisheries course.
Sorry?
Fisheries. Fisheries, ma'am.
Fisheries. Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Seven brothers and three sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
Youngest, ma'am.
Can you repeat again?
I'm youngest,
You
ma'am.
are the youngest. Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2011 to 2012 as what?
Housemaid, ma'am.
You worked there for 1 year, correct?
Ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities, your previous employment way back 2011 to 2012?
I'm doing cooking, ironing, the laundry, gardening, and washing, ma'am.
Okay, did you do
Take,
house chores also?
yes, ma'am, all around.
Okay, way back 2017 to 2018, you also worked as a housemaid for 1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment here?
As a nanny, ma'am, I changed the diaper,
Okay.
feeding babies, ma'am.
How old is the baby that you take care?
Year old mom and 1 year old babies and 7 year old kids.
Okay, so while taking care of these two children, you do house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do?
All around, mom.
Okay, and then?
Like washing, laundry, ironing, mom.
Did you cook there?
Clean, mom, cooking.
Okay, this is your first time working abroad and you also finish your contract. You have a degree, okay? You have a diploma also. So,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
comes into your mind that you wanted to work as a domestic helper?
Because, mom, the salary in the Philippines, mom, is not enough for my family, mom.
But do you know being domestic helper is very tough?
Yes.
You will sign a 2 years contract, okay? If there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. You have a 2 years contract. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer. And at the same time with the
Yes.
agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Because being a domestic helper is you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. There is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only inside the house, okay? And please remind yourself and please expect that the houses here is very big, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
A little bit, ma'am.
What
But I'm
variety?
willing
Okay, what
and
variety of cuisine you can
food,
prepare
ma'am.
then?
Only Filipino food, ma'am. But I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
I'm scared of big dogs, ma'am. But I love take care of pets, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, okay? But you are allowed to use your phone during nighttime after you finish your job for the whole day, okay? But, and for the whole day. But you will going to use it during nighttime only until the next morning before you start your work.
Yes,
But if we found out that
I,
you cannot cope up your job on the next morning because you don't have the energy to work and you feel groggy due to you sleep very late at night, because you use your phone very late also, you misuse using of mobile handphone, then we will tell your employer that you are allowed to use your handphone during nighttime for 2 to 3 hours only, okay?
yes, ma'am. I understand.
Yes, on your rest day also, you are entitled to have a once a week rest day, but you are not allowed to go out. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I
so
agree.
we don't force people also to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. But in our initial interview, we already informed you about all our terms and conditions, and you also agree about it, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
I'm calling my family, ma'am.
And then,
I'm reading the books. Praying, ma'am.
okay, always respect the employer because you will be working for them for 2 years, okay? Any
Yes,
problems,
ma'am.
any concerns, you inform your employer. This is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss, but in other countries, no such a thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected
Thank
through
you, ma'am.
WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Thank you
you,
so
ma'am.
much and
Have
have
a
a
good
good day. Bye.